Today I'm going to show you our grow orders functionality that increases visibility and system efficiencies when running production orders in Business Central with SilverLeaf. Managing hundreds, if not thousands, of production orders individually can be a huge burden on teams. This is why SilverLeaf developed Grow Orders, a single screen that offers users the flexibility necessary to engage with multiple production orders at once. To get started, I'm going to go to our Growing Plant screen. Here, we will see a list of all of our open production orders, or now grow orders, in a list format, so that at this point, we can interact with one or multiple production orders in a single screen. If I have multiple selected, I can go ahead and move those production orders into our next phase or our previous phase, which is just the consumption of our routing. So moving between routings, let's say it was start and then a spacing, we can go ahead and do that simply with our next phase button here. We can also go into our output journal. We can reclass, adjust, or scrap multiple production orders or grow orders at a single time. We can run consumption on multiple grow orders at a single time. We can go ahead and view our production orders in the background, because really what grow orders is actually running production orders in the background, but we're giving users more actions to take on multiple production orders in a single screen. So again, we can go to our individual grow order, production order. We can see the individual routings, our components, and go into our ledger entries. We can also create plants from scratch. So if I needed to add in any given item, I can do so. So I'll just do maybe 500 of these. I can add multiple items at a time, but this would be less a day-to-day task and more I've got to backfill some data that did not get input, or there were some production orders or grow orders that went missing. In the sense that they didn't get started. So I'm going to go ahead and just post these. Oh, this wants my variant code in here. I'm going to go ahead and post those. So what we'll now see at our very bottom is there's our 500 that we just planted. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to do a quick reclass here to show that I'm going to split this into 250 off, and then I'm going to split 100 off. What I'm doing here is I'm just now splitting that one production order output line into 3 different lines, because I'm going to show you that I can move these between different bins, new ready dates, and go ahead and post these. And we can act on a single production order showing all the 3 different output lines from a single screen. From here, I can drill into the actual work center of growing to see everything that needs to start their growing process. Right now, I'm just filtered for this single production order, but if I go ahead and remove that, I will now see everything that is in the need of growing in their first routing step. From here, I can see all of our remaining components that need consuming. And I can additionally print directly to bartender if we had production labels. There's quite a bit more functionality that we can do in here. Again, as I stated, reclassing, adjusting, scrapping, doing our consumptions, doing our outputs. There's quite a bit of power to this single screen. So if you have any questions, please let us know, and thank you so much.